Late. Oh my God. Okay, Luis.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So before we start your graduation day, Luis, I wanna make sure that you should use this background. Ta-da!
Oh, that one. Okay, wait. I think I have that thing. Let me check. Uh,
Mhm.
background. This one. Oh, oh wait. I
There we
changed.
go. Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Are you
ah,
okay? Okay. And then and
uh,
then Luis, I wanna tell you about will your parent join to your graduation day also?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Yeah.
How about I have a friend from Algonova.
Hmm?
Are you okay if I kind of invite they?
Sure. If you want.
Serious?
I
Are you
guess.
okay with them?
Yeah.
No, I mean like you do not kind of scared or afraid about that.
I mean, I'm a little.
Okay then I do not yeah, I will not invite them, okay?
All right.
Okay. So, are you ready for today, Luis?
Uh, Probably not. But I mean, I made the presentation already. But
And okay, Uh, you wanna prepare for the presentation first?
I mean, I already made the presentation.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, like you wanna to kind of set up the braid of yours or something like that first, maybe your braid, or you wanna kind of prepare for this. I wanna give you 10 minutes for preparing that.
All right.
Are you okay with that?
Yeah,
Or we can start directly.
I want to prepare a little.
Okay. How many? Yeah. What minutes do you need, Luis?
Probably seven.
7 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, I will make it 10, okay? Let's
All right.
expand our time later, okay?
All right.
Okay. You can stop your camera and then prepare as best as possible,
All right.
okay?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, my Luis. Check. Hello, parents.
Halo, halo Luis.
Kita tunggu sebentar, parents ya. Tadi Louis saya ini kasih waktu buat persiapan ulang itu, 10 menit untuk presentasinya.
Oke, baik.
Kak, I want to ask you something.
Oh yeah, sure.
Uh,
What's
I
that?
want I want to show something first.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Uh, this. Wait, I'm gonna share my screen because I want to ask
Mm-hmm. I'm with
about,
you.
is this right for the components? Like, is this right? Or is there something else?
Uh,
Or
for the collision, not really, Louis.
not collision? All right.
Yeah, and the pond.
Okay.
Yeah, the rest is nice.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
It means this two in here. Where is it? I need another one also. This
How
one.
many projects, Louis?
Add two projects.
Two projects?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah. I didn't have an
I think you're gonna present about three projects.
really?
Oh, I'm so sorry. My bad, Luis. Okay, okay.
It's okay.
That's my guessing. Okay, okay. Okay, are you ready?
I think. Wait, I
Uh,
want to test if I can demonstrate it.
okay.
Oh no, I cannot. What happened? What is it?
Let's see. Hold on.
Uh-oh.
Uh,
What is this?
I think
Working with the
no file pp
oh,
uh, pptable.png.
there's in here.
Where's the file, Luis? Oh
Here.
yeah, I think it's because you should provide the complete path, Luis.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ah, it's so hard. Okay, there it
There
goes.
we go.
Copy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then the copy path here. And then
And
okay.
you need okay. Oh, okay.
Oops.
There we go. Mm-hmm.
Oops.
Okay. The last
Oops.
one.
There it goes.
Okay, and
And
then
then I need to change.
exactly.
Wait, I forgot. Wait. Uh, this
There we go.
with this, and it's this one.
Okay.
There it goes.
Now we can run the code.
Wait, it should work. Yeah, it
Yep,
works. Okay.
it works. Okay.
Okay. So this is
What
ready.
else?
Let's see if this one works. I'll see if this one works. Yeah, it works.
Okay.
Okay.
It done.
Yeah, I think I'm ready.
Okay. Okay, Luis. You can stop the screen sharing, and then I wanna say first, welcome to your mother. Selamat datang, parents. And then, Luis, welcome to your graduation day. Today, we will hear or see the final project of Luis. And then, I think you're gonna present two projects, Luis, ya? Two projects. Okay, two projects. And then, sepertinya dia udah mempersiapkannya dengan baik, parents ya. Kita lihat saja nanti. Okay, Luis. I
All
hope
right.
you do not be nervous, Luis. As
Okay.
always, okay? And time is yours. Come on.
Okay. Wait, I will share. Wait. There. What is that? Share samples. Okay. Okay. Welcome everybody. Today I will be presenting about my two projects that I've made along my lesson. The two projects are the ping pong projects and the shooter projects.
Mm-hmm.
Project 1, ping pong game.
Mm-hmm.
The definition of my ping pong game, or you can say the ping pong project, is about a two-player game where each player has one paddle and one ball, and they have to pass it to each other until one of them miss. This project is developed using the following components. Is it used Pygame,
Mm-hmm.
class, sprite, and loop. And I also use these files. Their name is ball PNG, paddle 1 PNG, paddle 2 PNG, and ping pong table PNG. And also the file itself, ping pong project.
Okay.
And the distinctive features of the ping pong projects are every time the ball hits the player's paddle, the ball will get faster and faster over time. And don't forget, you
Okay.
can also play with friends.
Okay.
Project demonstration.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, wrong. There.
Okay.
First, I import Pygame, and then I made a sprite for like a base sprite to be used later on in the game.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I add a special class named player because a player is very special because it can move up and down, and there will be two of the player, one
Okay.
for the right side and one for the left side. I also added a background. I added the rackets and of course the ball.
Mm-hmm.
I added a font for either the first player lose or the second player to when they lose. This is the while loop that I used to like every like 0.01 seconds, it will change the frame so you can like see the next thing that's gonna happen. I also added the collision for the ball and the racket. So every time the ball hits the racket, it will get, let's say, reflected or bounce.
Okay.
And also, I also added another code that every time the ball hits a paddle, it will become faster and faster. This
Okay.
and there it goes. Let me demonstrate it. And here, player 1 and player 2 has their own racket. The right
Wh-
side is player 1 and
Okay.
the left side is player 2. So as you can see, the ball gets faster and faster.
Okay.
And just like that, player 2 has lost.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
That's how the game works. I made the ball go faster and faster, so the game will be interesting and be very challenging for both of players.
Okay.
Okay, that's it for ping pong project for the demonstration, and I'll continue to the presentation.
Okay then.
The prospects of my project. Soon, if I have time, I want to make the balls when speed up balance, so it's not get too fast. Like in after like 5 seconds, it got way too fast for the paddles to catch up. I also want to add better graphics and also want to keep the game challenging if possible.
Uh, uh, okay.
That's it for Ping Pong Project, and let's continue.
Okay.
Project 2, shooter game. Definition of shooter project. I can say shooter game. This shooter game is about shooting down all the asteroids and alien ships that is coming to you from the
Mm-hmm.
tops that is coming from up to down, and you have to shoot them all down. This project's developed. This project includes the following components.
Mm-hmm.
It used Pygame, clock, class, and sprite and loop, just same as last time. And this time the files are different. It uses an asteroid PNG, a bullet PNG, a fire sound, galaxy PNG for the background, the rocket, the shooter game, not this one,
Uh,
and and also the space sound and the UFO PNG.
Nice.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Next, distinctive features of the shooter project is every time you shoot more than 7 times, you will get a cooldown before you can shoot again. Because
Reloading.
not every time you can shoot infinitely because you don't have infinite bullets. You need to like wait before you can make another batch of bullets. And also, every time an enemy hits you, less of them will appear. So it'll be fair because you have low health and you're gonna be well cooked. Project demonstration. Okay. Yeah. Oh, wait, not that one. Yeah. This one. There you go. First, I
Okay.
had. Oh yeah, I had. Oh, I forgot I find them also. I first uploaded Pygame, random, and time.
Okay.
Then I did the setup before the game start before I make anything else, like the music, the font, and the background. I also added the game sprite. That's like last time. I had a player where I have to make a class player because player and the enemy will have different controls. Because if they be the same one, the same class or same sprite, they will be doing the same thing.
Okay.
So and the player can be moved up, down, left, and right, and will have an ability to shoot bullets.
Okay.
The enemy class will some point will spawn randomly at the top on the top of your screen,
Okay.
random X positions, or I can say the horizontal positions, and
Mm-hmm.
will go down and try
Oh.
to reach you.
Oh.
Don't
Okay.
forget, each of these enemy sprites will have different speeds. So some of them will be really slow and some of them will be really fast. And
Oh.
next, the final class, the bullet class. The bullet class is a sprite that is a bullet that's being fired by the player sprite.
Okay.
And its goal is to hit, well, the enemy.
Okay.
I added 3 groups, the asteroid groups, monsters group, and the bullet groups. I also made this code so where I can make 7 of wait, I forgot what I made 7 of. I made 7 of the UFO, and I also made 4 of the asteroids. And of course, only one player.
Okay.
I add a loop for the
Mm-hmm.
game to keep running,
Mm-hmm.
and I add the controls for firing the bullets. I also add the mechanic of every time you shoot 7 times, you will have to reload.
Mm-hmm.
And I also had the collisions for the bullets with the monsters, collisions for the bullet for the enemy and the player, and collisions for enemy and this asteroid. And no,
Mm-hmm.
I mean no, I messed up. Sorry. I made collisions for the bullets and the monsters, bullets and the asteroids, player and with the spaceships. No, players with the enemy spaceship and player with the asteroid.
Okay. Player. Yeah.
Finally, I added uh a UI to show how much did you hit and how much did you miss.
Okay. That's cool.
Okay, and now I'll demonstrate my project.
Let's see.
Here, you can see
Okay.
the spaceship can only shoot 7 times. You have to reload. And
Oh.
there you can see there's 2 enemy. The US spaceship enemy and the asteroid enemy. And
Okay.
also
Okay.
I also added the UI of every enemy you miss. And you can
Mm-hmm.
see I'm missing all of them. And every time you miss, it will increase the score by 1.
Oh, as the record. Okay.
And also finally, the spaceship of course can move up and down, left and right.
Mm-hmm.
And the health.
Okay.
There you go. That's it for the demonstration.
Okay.
Let's continue to my presentation. This prospect for my projects is I want to add a proper ending to the game. So when you lose or when you complete by reaching a certain score, there will be an ending to the game, so it won't be boring and endless. I also want to add better mechanics because right now the mechanics is really buggy and I want to make it more smooth. And I also want to keep the game challenging.
Yeah.
That's it for my presentation. Thank you.
Okay. Wow. Nice, Luis. Okay.
Great, Luis.
Oke. Mungkin dari parents dulu, maybe ada yang ingin ditanyakan. I wanna ask you some things, Luis. Okay? But
Okay.
yeah, maybe parents first. Silakan
Um,
parents.
iya, di saya sih nggak ada yang ditanyain gimana sih. Paling ya mungkin kalau game-game yang Luis udah bikin kan udah banyak tuh menurut saya ya.
Oh
Bisa
ya.
di apa ya, ibaratnya di remake ulang dengan better graphics, terus mungkin juga mechanicsnya juga bisa jadi nggak usah necessarily bikin game baru lagi dari yang udah ada ini. Luis kembangin lagi, maksudnya jadinya gamenya nggak hilang gitu, terus makin lama makin bagus walaupun dengan game yang sama gitu sekali ya Luis ya.
Oh.
Jadi selain kamu main game terus tuh berjam-jam, kamu boleh sekalian nge-remake game-game kamu yang udah bagus tadi biar makin bagus. Jadi kamu bisa ikut-ikut kompetisi lagi gitu. Oke,
Oke.
Luis.
Oke loh. Oke, kalau dari Papa mungkin atau saya dulu boleh ya?
Ya boleh,
Saya,
Kak
saya mau
Sali.
bertanya, Luis, could you please go to your PS code, Luis?
Yeah,
I
sure.
wanna ask you something. The shooter one first.
The shooter one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So I think you have two persons, right, Luis? What's
Yeah.
the difference? I mean, shooter game and shooter underscore game.
Oh, the shooter underscore game is just a bug.
A
I
bug?
mean like yeah, because before it started with a shooter game, right? Shooter underscore game. But
Okay.
I might have made another file named very similar shooter
Oh,
game.
okay.
And then
Oh,
but I made the game in the file shooter game. But I just left the shooter underscore game with nothing
mm-hmm.
inside of it.
Oh, okay. So it's just like a trial for the first one is like that.
Yeah. The
Okay,
first one
okay.
I accidentally made the shooter game in another
Mm-hmm.
file.
Okay. And then how about what is spy game, Luis? I mean, like you always use spy game here. What is that?
My game is like how do I say it? A software, I guess you can say.
Mm-hmm.
Or like yeah, it to make a program so I can make like games or like uh uh,
Oh, okay.
yeah,
I
you can like
mean,
make games that you can
it's like a
play with and stuff.
framework, maybe. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. How about both of your game? You're using class, right, Luis?
Yes.
Well, what is class exactly?
Class is like a position that's been given to that has been given to like a sprite. I guess you can say that. Or like a position to give to a certain code.
Okay. Uh, okay. Now I wanna ask you about could I see the class you type something like class for the bullet
Yeah.
class bullet. What is
Yes.
that for? I mean, like that's the asset for your player, right, Luis? I mean,
Yes.
why should we add class bullet? Why we don't just you know add the bullet on your player class? Why should we create another class?
Because a bullet is very works differently than a player. A player could move around and fire. If it will fire itself, I mean, it would be possible, but it will be a little bit more buggy.
Oh,
If you add another class of bullet, it will be independent and will make the process a lot easier for the long game.
okay. Oh, so basically it has a different mechanism like that. That's why
Yes.
we need to create another class. Okay,
Yes.
okay. How about the enemy? What's the difference between the enemy class and the player class? I
The
mean,
enemy
like,
class
mm-hmm.
is different. The enemy class is an NPC. You can say a non-playable character. And
Okay.
like as his name, you cannot
Mm-hmm.
control that character. But a player is a controllable character, so you could control it how you like. But an enemy is not, so it will control independently by itself.
Oh, so you meant like the player, we can control the player, but for the enemy, it moves automatically like that.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Congratulations then. That's all my question is.
Yeah.
Wow. Interesting. Okay. Parents, ada tambahan?
What will you do after this, Luis? What do you want
Okay.
in the future first? And the second, how to minimize your overtime playing game, yeah?
Oh my God.
That is a serious question.
Oh my God, Luis. Oh my God. Okay,
Uh,
Luis. Come on,
Not
Luis.
not because of his academic degree, but because of his patience is like as thin as tissue right now already.
What will you say, Luis?
I I didn't know.
You don't know? Oh my God. So, uh, oh, how many times do you need Luis to play a game? I want to know that.
I um I mean sometimes
10
I
hours?
don't,
Oh, okay.
and then sometimes I play like really really long.
Oh, okay.
He could play like 8 hours if nobody stop him.
Ah, I have a mustache now.
It's okay. I think, uh, yeah, that's Luis' passion, maybe. Parents. I don't know.
Yeah, I know, I know. That's why Luis try to remake all your games that you already created. So your game also can have evolution rather than
Yeah,
your playing evolution.
exactly, Luis. You can do something like that.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, Luis. Now you can stop your screen sharing. I wanna convey about uh the next course. This is my task. I have to tell you. Okay. First, could you see my screen, Luis?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I wanna say congratulations, and yeah, you cannot be able to go to the next stage, Luis. Okay. That's
Okay.
from Algunova. Okay. So, uh, what you will learn for the next course, Luis? Well, it's quite different, Luis. I mean, like we do not talk about game, okay? No longer. Not really, I mean, but we'll talk about data for the next course. So this is the example of what will you learn. You know what is this, Luis? Have you seen this
I
stuff?
think I've seen these things. This like a tractor or something.
Yeah,
Like
exactly.
like
Let me show you the nice picture maybe. Yep.
Oh, I think isn't it like the timeable machine that we ever learned with the other
Oh,
day, you know?
oh yeah.
Yeah, I
Uh,
think that's more like
Like trying to analyze what is what.
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So in Python Pro second year, you will learn about machine learning, and then this is kind of one of the project later you will create, Luis, object detection. Okay,
All right.
but the complete code, excuse me, the complete topic is we'll talk about first, we'll talk about mobile development, and second, we'll talk about data analysis. And then third, machine learning. And then we'll talk about Panda 3D. That's game 3D. And then last one, we'll talk about website, how you can create website based on the front end and back end developer, something like that, Luis. And this is the example of that, Luis. Could you see? Aha, this is for data analysis. So this is something that you will create uh, in the next stage, Luis. Okay.
Okay.
And then for the computer vision, this is the example of the project. So yeah, you will be able to create something like this later.
Oh,
Okay. Something that I wanna tell you, Luis, is it's um yeah, I can say the topic for the second year of Python Pro, it's uh a deeper. I mean deeper like we'll talk about machine learning. It means that we'll talk about math also. Something like that, Luis. Yeah.
okay.
I just want to make sure that my student kind of, prepare for that because it's yeah, most of the students when we learn about machine learning, they kind of confused, Luis. What happens? What are we doing? Something like that. Okay? Because of yeah, maybe that's their first time to learn about machine learning. And then that's the hardest part in Python Pro second year, Luis. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. I think yep, that's the core of what you will learn in the next stage, Luis. Okay. Now, uh parents mungkin ada yang mau ditanyakan? Itu yang
Cuman
bisa
sih,
saya sajikan. Mhm.
iya, paling ini hitungan di 16 pertemuan lagi ya, Kak Azali.
Oh ya.
Untuk jadwal tetap sama.
Oh itu saya bebaskan ke Luis ya. Kalau apa labelnya di situ saya bisa tetap.
Oh ya, oke oke.
Tak
Berarti
tak. Mhm.
berarti nanti yang nggak coding and membuat app ini sama ini tuh apa? Ini apa nih dua ini nih? Kiri kanan ini.
Oh yang enggak ini apa namanya? eh, Stage-nya kayak yang kemarin kita coding dan membuat app nanti Python Pro second year dan kemudian nanti setelah belajar ini karena nanti agak sedikit susah ya Python Pro 2 ini terutama nanti di back end juga itu agak wah itu jadi nanti setelah ini kami harap Luis sudah bisa lah gitu untuk melihat dunia pemrograman tuh kayak apa gitu seperti itu mungkin
Oke,
parents.
oke, oke, sip.
Berarti tetap jadwalnya parents untuk Luis.
Gimana Luis sementara di Sabtu lagi? Senin ya, Senin ya, Senin jam 5.
Mhm.
Luis aman?
Is that okay, Luis?
Itu ya, berarti di Senin jam 5 ya.
Okay.
Okay.
And untuk mulainya, parents mau langsung minggu depan atau istirahat dulu, kayak yang kemarin?
Nanti saya tanya bapaknya dulu ya,
Oke.
mau gimana.
Iya,
Senin.
kalau dari saya mungkin diistirahatkan dulu ya, parents. Karena
Oh,
nanti
boleh, boleh.
Luis juga, ya,
Mungkin
supaya enggak
mungkin
ini.
boleh kalau dia istirahat dulu. Saya mau minta dia remake lagi deh beberapa gamenya biar biar lebih bagus aja, biar dia ada kerjaan, gak terlalu main game terus ya Liz ya.
Okay.
Paling gitu sih.
Eh,
Sorry, sorry,
oke.
sorry. Baru bisa join.
Oh iya ya parents.
Hai, Luis.
Halo.
Hey. Ah,
Good job.
yeah,
Finish all your tasks already.
yeah,
But after this, I look it is about little bit boring for you because it's not related to the gaming again. Are you ready or
Yap.
yeah.
not? Your name is
Tapi
already Luis Jeremy Gaming.
tapi kayaknya dia cukup mudah mengerti statistik ya parents, Luis.
Iya,
Jadi
kan dia
saya waktu
dia mengerti karena dia suka katanya. Kalau dia nggak suka, takutnya dia yang tadi maminya udah bilang ya, kesabarannya setipis tisu.
iya matematikanya juga menurut saya ini ya
Oke ya.
lumayan. Iya oke banget malah.
Hmm.
Soalnya kemarin saya coba tanya iseng, wah dia ternyata tahu konsepnya ya. Wah, saya
Ya,
ngeri ya.
diterusin aja sih, Luis. No
Okay.
problem, right?
Harusnya sih
Uh,
dia suka sih yang terkait object detection gitu. Soalnya waktu pas yang saya di data science ada lomba, saya kasih dia contoh terus dia mau kerjain gitu.
Oh,
Di timeable machine itu. Jadi harusnya sih dia akan suka. Ya mudah-mudahan ya Luis ya.
maybe I don't know.
Ya, trying
Dicoba
your best
paling.
aja lah. Trying your best
Mm-mm.
aja.
oke oke. Oke, paling nanti mulainya infokan aja parents ya. Kapan Luis siapnya? Kapan dan mungkin minggu depan enggak dulu, mungkin dia istirahat dulu menurut saya itu yang paling bagus.
Atau
Supaya
mulai di Oktober aja
boleh
kali.
boleh parents.
Tapi di
Boleh.
tetap Senin jam
Iya,
5 gitu ya.
iya. Boleh, boleh.
Gitu ya Luis.
All right. Yeah, maybe I don't know.
Jangan abis gitu lupa kamu Luis.
I feel I'm gonna lose it. Okay.
Oke deh. Kalau gitu ya cukup sih dari saya parents. Dius, you wanna tell us something?
Uh, I
Mm-hmm.
want to ask something.
Oh yeah. What's that?
What will happen to my algo coins?
Oh, oh iya ya.
Kenapa emangnya?
Udah dibelanjakan, Luis?
No, not
No?
yet. I haven't decided
Oh, nothing
because
happens.
How
because
many you have?
look, it like does it save?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Promise that.
Okay.
Okay. How
How,
many
how
do you
many
have,
coins do
Luis?
you have, Luis?
1,210.
Wow, 1,000. Yeah. I think he can buy Robux. Yeah. He wants buy Robux actually. Right, Luis?
Yeah.
Can we buy another another thing, Kak Hasali?
The
Oh,
other things are kind of
what?
underwhelming.
Ya, kayaknya dia nggak menargetkan yang lain, Pens ya. Tertariknya dari awal itu mulu.
Aduh,
Ya,
pusing.
rata-rata yang main Roblox kayaknya itu doang deh yang mereka lirik. Nggak ada
Aduh.
yang lain.
The others
Coba,
looks
coba
really
tanya si George
underwhelming.
punya berapa ya, George?
George, I don't know how much George has.
Itu 1,210 bisa beli berapa?
I mean, it used to can buy 500, but then the 500 out of stock, and then now there's only 200 left.
Iya,
Then the
exactly.
1,000. The 1,000 is just a little far off reach, and then
Oh,
the 200 is just not worth it.
Dikit lagi itu dia mencapai 1.000 Robux yang dia targetkan kayaknya.
Yeah.
Bagus lah, nggak terlalu banyak.
Ethan. Elder,
Oke dan,
Oke.
Oke,
how are you here?
good job, Luis.
oh ada
Oke.
Ethan nih. Iya
Oh,
tadi saya minta ini
Ethan,
saudara
how are you here?
Ethan lihat tadi.
I summon
Ethan.
myself from the depths.
Oh, Ethan, what is your course, Ethan?
He's also
Python,
Python.
Oh,
Python start one. Python start one.
Oh, one.
No,
Okay.
actually, I don't remember. So I think same with Luis, except I
Ini
think before Luis.
kebanyakan mainnya
For Luis.
kayaknya sama. Oke, oke. Oke, parents dan
Oke,
Luis,
thank
mungkin itu
you,
aja ya untuk hari
Mas
ini.
Indi.
Thank you so much.
Oke.
Dan kita jumpa lagi di next
Oktober.
meet-nya. Oke, parents, Luis. Oke,
Okay.
Luis. I'll see you in the
Alright.
next meet. Oke.
Oke,
Oke.
bye-bye.
Thank
Oke.
you. Bye.
Ah.
Bye.